To other news now, a security guard attached to the Beryllium group of companies died today in what has been reported as an accidental shooting by a colleague. We have the details in this report.
The police have confirmed that the deceased security guard, Kevin Hunter, was shot by another guard, both of whom TVJ News understands were good friends. Hunter was also a member of the Jamaica Defense Force 3JR unit. The police say the shooting happened at approximately 11:15 a.m. along Blake Road outside the gates of the Beryllium offices.
The reports, as we have it, is that one guard was sitting in a truck whilst loading his firearm in its holster. The other security guard ran to open the door whilst the one sitting in the vehicle was trying to close it. During that time of trying to open and to close, the finger of the guard sitting in the truck caught into the trigger, discharging one round.
That round caught Hunter in the region of his chest. He was pronounced dead at hospital. The police say they're investigating whether the shooting was accidental, as has been reported.
Does it sound to you, or what are you getting in terms of, you said one was trying to open, one was trying to shut.
Right.
Does it seem as if they were playing, or it was a fight or a tussle?
Doesn't come across that way initially. It seems, based on what we're hearing, that as he said, one, because he ran up to the door and was trying to open it and the other one was closing, that there might just have been some accident.
Reports are that the incident has left many of the workers at the South Kemp Road location shocked and depressed. They say the two men were at work earlier talking and laughing. A statement from Beryllium described the shooting as unfortunate. The statement also says Beryllium is working closely with the police in their investigation. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.